everyone, and welcome back to another episode. Today's episode, we're going to discuss December SBA 504 rates. The rates have dropped from November rates for the 25-year debenture were 6.283, and today in December, the debenture rate is 6.093. That's the 25-year debenture. The 20-year debenture is slightly higher, but I usually talk about the 25 because that's what we're doing mostly is commercial real estate deals on a 25-year debenture rate. So remember, the 504 loan is two loans. It's a senior loan from the bank and then the SBA-guaranteed piece, which is the second. So it's a first and second. The second's got a 10-year declining prepayment penalty. And the first is going to be a 5, 7, 10-year term negotiated at bank level. Could be anywhere from a 20 to 30-year amortization. We even have a bank that does a 33-year deal, interest only for the first 3 years on construction deals. So there's lots of different ways to structuring the 504. You can do the 504 green, where you can actually get 5.5 million up in SBA proceeds. So you can do deals that are $22 million, depending on what the comfort level of the bank, because the bank can do a larger senior lien. So the bank usually funds the first and second, and then once there's certificate of occupancy, the debenture happens 30 days later, and then it's sold off into the secondary market. With an SBA 504 loan, there's two underwriting processes, whereas if it's a PLP lender, they can, on a 7A, they can underwrite in-house. The 504 with the blended rate is usually a little bit better in today's market than a fixed rate option 7A. And you can do a fixed rate option 7A on real estate deals and even some non-real estate deals. Many people don't know that. The majority of these 7A loans are not fixed rate. They're just based on Wall Street Journal Prime plus margin. So when we're looking at deals, depending on the loan amount, depending on the deal, depending on what the plan is, in 3 or 4 years, the 7A might be more of a viable option than the 504. And sometimes vice versa. The 504 just makes more sense. Potentially you've used all your SBA aggregate, and we need to do the 504 green, because if you do the 504 green, the other aggregate won't count in the total aggregate, because you can have up to $16.5 million if you go SBA 504 green. So limited to 5.5 million per deal, but it's a good way to scale. Oftentimes, I think people don't realize the true benefits of SBA financing. So we're talking about franchise startups, regular startups, expansion, roll-ups. You can, in the same NAICS code, you can do 100% roll-ups where you have an HVAC business, you've been established for a couple of years, your competitor's selling down the road. Well, yeah, you can do up to 100% financing on a roll-up with 7A. So understanding how to use these government guaranteed programs, including the USDA BNI, that's what we talk about on this channel, along with a lot of stuff in business acquisition and franchising, because we also have a franchise consulting company. So if you have any questions, go to bookwithbo.com, and love to meet with you, and have a great day. If you're looking to acquire a business, stop scrolling on Biz Buy Sell and visit franchiseresellelistings.com. We'll do a customized search. You can get on our weekly distribution where we're sending new inventory weekly to your inbox. So visit franchiseresellelistings.com and opt in today. See you there. Hey guys, Bo Eckstein here. If you enjoyed what you saw, please subscribe to this channel. We talk all things financing. I've been in the lending industry for over 20 years, and I'm happy to answer your questions and provide great content.